Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Walgreens haul. All of these deals are good up until July the 4th. This turned out to be an awesome haul, a $22 moneymaker. So stay tuned to find out exactly how I did this. Before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let me know if this video was helpful. Also, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below and I will get back to you. Also, you can go check me out over on Instagram. It's at Crazy Coupons. Now let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here are my first three transactions. They're all short, sweet, and simple. Every one of them were money makers. So, let's run through it really quickly. I picked up 2 of the Gillette deodorants. As we know, these are printing out an extra P&G thank you reward, register reward, and it's also working on, if you find the ones that have the green label right here, it's working on those as well. So I picked up 2 of these Gillette deodorants for $10. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. My total was $7 plus tax. I redeemed $5 in points, paid $2 out of pocket, got back a $3 register reward and a $4 register reward. So free plus a moneymaker, and I will pop the screen up right here for the breakdown. Alright, next up, I picked up 2 of the Secret deodorants for $10. Used that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. My total was $6. I redeemed $5 in points, paid $1 out of pocket, and got back a $4 register reward, making this also a moneymaker. So, short, sweet, and simple. So I'm going to pop up that screen and let you check that out right now. Alright, next up, I picked up 3 of the Tide. This is the liquid. This was what was marked in my store. Now you can mix and match. I picked up the Sport, the Oxy, and the Stain Release. So, these are priced at $4.99 this week. I picked up 3 of them, making it $14.97. I used 3 of those $2 off of 1 P&G coupons from this month's insert. My total after coupons was $8.97. I redeemed $5 in points, paid $3.97 out of pocket, and I got back a $5 register reward. So also a moneymaker. Now, one thing that I want to mention before we move on is if you submit your receipts to pngoodeveryday.com, and I'll have that linked down below, you can get back 50 points for each of these items. So 200, 300, 350 in points, and once you get to a certain amount, you can redeem them for gift cards. So that is awesome. So don't forget to go do that. Alright, I'm going to pop up the screen for the Tide, and we'll move on to the bigger transactions. Alright guys, so here's my first transaction using that spend 25, get back 5,000 points, and I paired it in with the Schick and the Banana Boat deal where you spend 25 and you get back 8,000 points. Now, a couple of things happened whenever I rang up the items. This, when I scanned it in my app, it was showing up at 2 for $14. That was supposed to be the sale price this week. However, it rang up buy one get one half off. So one rang up at $7 and one rang up at $3.50. It didn't affect the points. I still got the points back. However, I just wanted to make you guys aware of that so that you know you can get your total to $25. But if you do this transaction just like I did it, you won't have any issues. So I picked up 1 of these Banana Boats. This is priced at $11.99. These are buy one get one half off, so it took off the half off of the smaller one. This was $7.99, so that rang up for $3.99. And I picked up 4 of the Arizona teas. They're 2 for $1 because I wanted to use 4 of my register rewards from the smaller transactions that I did, and I also had 3 register rewards from last week from the Crest deal. Those were $2. So my total before coupons was $28.48. The coupons that I used was a 7 off of 2 Schick or Skintimate digital coupon, the 2 off of 1 Banana Boat coupon from a recent paper. I'll pop it up here, and a $2 register reward from the Crest from last week, another $2 register reward from Crest from last week, the $5 register reward from Tide, and the $4 register reward from the Secret. So this is very important. I'm going to give you the total after my coupons but just adjust your price to which register rewards you're going to use. So, and you need to make sure that you have one item that does not have a coupon for it so that that register reward will attach. And if you guys have any questions, if you have specific register rewards or have any questions of how a breakdown will work out, just leave them down below in the comments and I will get back to you. So my total after coupons and register rewards was just $6.48. Final price, well, I got back 13,000 in points for the 5,000 booster and then the 8,000 booster for these. So final price was free plus a $6.52 moneymaker, which is awesome. However, I hit beauty on this transaction as well, so it made it an $11.52 moneymaker, which is awesome. So keep an eye out for that beauty enthusiast booster. You'll get back 5,000 points every time you spend $50, and that accumulates. You don't have to go and spend $50 in one transaction. Alright, so I'm going to put up the breakdown here and we'll move on to the next one. Alright guys, so here's my second transaction using that spend $25, get back 5,000 points. Now one thing I want to mention is when we have these boosters like this, I usually try to group in as many point deals as I can into one transaction, and that way I'm spending a little bit out of pocket, but I'm getting back a lot of points on the back end. So just keep that in mind. This week we didn't really have a whole lot of point deals to group together, but this is what I ended up working out. So I picked up 2 of the women's Dove body wash. They are buy one get one half off, and you get back 1,000 points for each 2 that you buy. So one was $7.49, the other one was $3.74. I picked up 2 of the men's Dove body wash. One was $6.99, the other one was $3.49. 2 of the Arizona teas for $1, and 3 of the Diet Dr. Peppers for $3. That is a great sale price. They're 3 for $3 this week. So my total was $25.71. I used 2 of those Dove buy one get one free coupons from the last week's insert. 1 of the $2 register rewards from Crest. 1 of the $3 register rewards that I got back from the Gillette. And the $4 register reward that I got back from the Gillette deal. So after coupons, my total was $4.71 plus tax. You cannot redeem points. You just have to pay that out of pocket. I got back 7,000 points, 2 for the Dove and 5 for the booster. So my final price was free plus a $2.29 moneymaker, which is awesome. I kind of calculated it out for my entire haul, and I'll show you the breakdown for this, and then we'll go see how I did overall. Alright guys, so I calculated everything up. My total out of pocket was $18.16. I got back $41 in register rewards and points. Final price free plus a $22.84 moneymaker. Now, depending on how you want to look at it, I also did spend $15 in points, so my final price would be free plus $7.84 moneymaker. But I kind of look at it as the points and the register rewards are just store money, and we want to continue to roll those points into register rewards and use those register rewards on the point deals. So that's how we continue to get free and cheap products from Walgreens. And if you guys ever have any questions about that, just leave them down in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Now I'm going to go and get started. I have the P&G insert in my hand and I'm going to record that really quick, that insert preview, so stay tuned for that. Before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let me know if this was helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.